We're going to practice writing formulas. Spreadsheets are amazing because you can do one formula and then calculate something thousands of times by just dragging that formula down. If you did it on a calculator, you'd have to do it one by one. So everyone go into cell D1 and type equals. It's the symbol that is needed to tell the computer it's going to do some math for you. So that is the thing you have to remember, otherwise it won't do anything. So I want to add the numbers 2, 3, and 80. Now I could do that in my head and say that it's 85, but then I can't drag that formula down. So if I just write 85, it's not helpful. So I want to use a command that adds, and the word sum means addition. So I'm going to type equals sum parentheses, and then I'm going to drag. I'm going to click in cell A1 and drag over through C1, close my parentheses, and hit enter. It added those for me. And now if I put my mouse in that little corner, that blue box, where it switches from an arrow to a plus sign, and I drag it down, it's going to do the same calculation for me. It added, this time, if I look up at my formula, it added A2 to C2. What do you think it's going to say if I click on 71? It added A3 to C3. So one formula that takes some thinking leads it to give you answers to every single question. Super helpful. What if I wanted to add all the numbers going down the column? I would do the same thing. Equal sum. But this time I'm going to say I want to go A1 down to A4. And this time I'm going to drag my formula to the right because I want it to add down the columns. If I click on 27, you're going to see the formula is adding B1, B2, B3, B4. So what do you need to remember? Equal sign means please do the math for me. And cell names. You want to use the name of the cell in your formula. Last thing, what if I want to multiply A1 times B1? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to type or click A1 times is the asterisk above the 8 times B1. I hit enter. Nothing happened. Why didn't the computer know that it was supposed to do something? Because I didn't put an equal sign. So I'm going to go back up, put my mouse in front of A1 up here in this equation bar, type the equal sign, and now it's going to multiply 2 by 3. So if you ever have a moment where it's not doing the math, go back and look and see if you accidentally left off the equal sign. All right, hopefully that helps us understand the way in which we do formulas.